Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So first of all, happy holidays to everyone. I hope you are having fun with your friends and family, and I hope that you have a very happy new year this 2023. So about this video, I am so excited to announce that I have been invited by one of the top nail brands that I really like, that I've actually been following ever since I started doing nails, and it's Melodysusie. Melodysusie is a beauty brand with over 13 years of experience in the field of beauty and nail supplies, providing high quality products for customers for home and salon use, all at a very affordable price. So they messaged me through Instagram and said that they would be interested in collaborating with me. They said they like my videos and would love to have me review their newly launched press on nails in a video. So here are the press on nails. They actually sent me 3 sets of these beautiful press ons, and I was the one who picked these designs. They sent me a huge variety of designs, and these are the ones that caught my eye. So I'm gonna be using one of these nail sets today, and I'm thinking of using this marbled one because it's so sophisticated and very fitting for the holidays. So let's get started by prepping our nails. Don't mind my nails for now. I have gel nails on and it's been growing out, so I'm just gonna remove that first, and I'm using my rechargeable nail file. After removing the gel polish, I'm gonna go with my usual prep of using cuticle pusher first. I'm doing a full set, so I'm doing both hands. It's been a while since I did both hands, so I'm excited to see both of my hands having the same design. So after pushing the cuticles back, I'm gonna file the cuticle using a nail drill. These nail sets already have instructions on the back on how to put them on, so I'm just gonna read that. It says on the first step to cut the nails short, so I'm just gonna do that. I have here my Bobby straight nail cutter, and I'm going to trim just a little bit because my nails are already short. We're just going to avoid having my natural nails peeking out on the back of the press-ons. So I'm gonna open up the kit and see all the inclusions. I'm gonna be posting the links for these products down below so you can go check it out if you want. So this is what you get inside. We have the press-ons, which are a lot to choose from to fit your nail size, and you also get these prepping tools and adhesive. We have a mini file, mini wooden stick, alcohol pad, and the adhesive tapes. So I'm gonna pick through the nails and select my sizes. What I do is I place the press on the nail and check if it's a good fit. I check the side walls, and it's better for me to choose a bigger size if I can find one that perfectly fits my nail, because I think it's better to file the excess off than having a nail peek through because I choose a smaller press on. So when I find a good fit, I choose that size to check if it will also fit my nail on the other hand. After finding my sizes, I'm gonna put the adhesive tapes on the press-on nails. These tapes also come with different sizes, so choose the one that will fit the press-on. I think I have seen other people doing it by putting the tape on their nail first and then pushing down the press-on afterwards. I don't know the correct application, but I've been doing this method all the time, so I'm just gonna go with this. I use the stick to push down the tapes to the press-ons, which are actually intended for you to push back your cuticles with, but since I've already done that, I'm just gonna use that to do this instead. And I'm gonna use the file that came with it to gently file my natural nails for better adhesion. And then I use this alcohol pad, which is saturated enough to clean all your nails with. And next we can now start applying the nails. So what I do is I line the bottom first to my cuticle area, and then I push it down and press it for like 5 seconds. So there you go, as easy as that, we already got the first nail. So basically I'm just gonna do that method for the rest of the nails. So these are the nails, and of course they are beautiful. I'm still not over how easy they are to apply. It's not messy at all. It's actually enjoyable and not very tiring at all. I've tried a number of press-ons in the past, and it's one of the easiest way to have designed nails instantly. But what I like about this set is the design. All of the designs I chose in Melodysusie were the ones I truly like. Like, it didn't even take a minute for me to choose because they have a very wide variety and they had all the designs that I hope for. So, all in all, I like this set a lot, and I have two more which I'm also very excited to try out. So, watch out for that videos. And I'm also thankful for Melody Susie for inviting me to collab with them. Thank you so much for the nail sets you sent me. This is my very first time to have a collaboration with someone, so I'm not very familiar with the stuff they usually do in these collabs, and I'm really trying to learn from this experience, hoping to have more collabs in the future. Also, thank you guys for watching. If you like the products, you can go check out the links I posted below, and I'm hoping to see you soon. Please give this video a like, write down a comment if you have some suggestions. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Happy Fingers. And if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.